Hi, I'm David Bulluck of the Bulluck Law Group, and this is going to be the first video of what we hope is a long series of videos that we're going to call the Legal Insider. And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to provide you guys with different videos as to a lot of the legal aspects that a lot of our clients have questions on, and we're going to try to provide those answers for you to try to help all of you out in your daily lives. So the first series of videos is going to pertain to auto insurance. And with auto insurance, this specific video is going to deal with PIP, or personal injury protection. The laws on PIP, they were changed recently. It requires that within 14 days of the accident, the person has to have medical care. Now that medical care can be at a hospital ER, it can be at an urgent care, it can be at a chiropractor. As long as it's medical care, it has to occur within 14 days. The other aspect of that is that the person involved in the accident has to be diagnosed with an emergency medical condition. Now, that has to come from an MD or a nurse practitioner. It can't come from a chiropractor, but as long as the medical care is within 14 days, that emergency medical condition diagnosis can occur after the 14 days. So that's an important distinction there. So a lot of people, they get worried, they think, well, we didn't seek medical care within 14 days, or we have to file a lawsuit within 14 days. Not necessarily true. If you don't seek medical care within 14 days, you still have PIP benefits, but they're capped at $2,500 instead of, had you gone within 14 days, you'd have the full benefit of the $10,000 that's available to you. So that's the important part of the PIP coverage and how the laws have changed. The other aspect we get asked a lot is, what is no-fault coverage? No-fault coverage is also the same thing as PIP coverage, and it just means that you don't have to be at fault or not at fault. Fault has no, just as the name says, it doesn't matter. So whether you're at fault or not, it'll still pay for the medical care that you need following the accident. So we hope that you find this video useful. Please comment, like, share this video. You can email me. I check my emails, and I'll respond to whatever questions or any of the comments that any of you guys have. And thanks for watching.